Today, we are going to guide you through the simple and hassle-free process of registering as a new voter in India. Whether you are a first-time voter or just need to update your details, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1: Eligibility check. First things first, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. To register as a voter in India, you must be at least 18 years old and an Indian citizen. Step 2: Visit the official website. Now, grab your device and open your web browser. Head over to the official Election Commission of India website at https://eci.gov.in/. Step 3: Select New Registration. Once you are on the website, look for the option that says New Registration for General Electors and give it a click. If you're not already registered on the website, don't worry. You can sign up easily. Just enter your mobile number and email address, followed by the captcha code. Step 5: Enter basic information. Now, it's time to provide some basic information. Fill in your first name, last name, and set a password. After that, click on the Request OTP button. Step 6: Receive and enter OTP. Keep an eye on your mobile phone because you'll receive an OTP, one-time password. Enter this OTP on the website and hit OK. You'll be asked to log in using your mobile number and the password you just created. Step 8: Start new registration. Once you're logged in, click on New Registration. Step 9: Fill in personal details. Now comes the part where you provide your personal details. This includes your date of birth, permanent address, family details, and more. Step 10: Declaration and submission. After filling out all the necessary information, it's time to make a declaration. Confirm your details, add your location and date, and then click on Submit. Step 11: Verify details. The system will prompt you to verify all the details you've entered by displaying Form 6. Take a moment to double-check everything. Step 12: Final submission. Once you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and click on the Submit button. Step 13: Confirmation. That's it. You are almost done. After clicking Submit, you'll receive an SMS, email on your registered mobile number with a file number for your new voter registration. Step 14: Await your voter ID card. Now, all you need to do is be patient. In about 10 to 15 days, your brand new voter ID card will be delivered right to your doorstep. And there you have it, folks. Registering as a new voter in India is as easy as ek do teen. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more useful information like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment down